Hey, hello. This is Tanner again. um, this is vid number 3. There was no, vlog with this video because I have been absolutely swamped. And it is currently 1:07 a.m. and I am recording this lesson because it needs to get done. And I told myself I'd post one every day. But I just got back from my FFA petting zoo, and I've been swamped with TBI and all this crap. So I'm just going to go through the lesson for the day. It's Nas, San, and then it's vocabulary. It's all simple stuff, but it's one video worth of stuff, so I hope you guys enjoy. I'm just going to be reading off of this. So to start out, I've got Nas and San. So NAS, or NAS, is a single storage device which serves Ethernet files and is inexpensive. It's easier for homes and small businesses, large data storage systems, and it provides file-based data to devices over the same network. Standalone device that is connected to the network, so that's what NAS is. Sorry, my throat really hurts. I've been yelling about a camel all day. But more driver bays, more storage/use. It provides file level access, and it's straightforward solutions. Straightforward solutions and accessible to varying users with varying skills. It's limited in how far it can expand. But network node uses Ethernet to send and receive data. And server might struggle depending on how many people are on it, and then Ethernet divides packets to share data, so lots of traffic causes issues. Basically, home internet is essentially what it is. Then there is SAN, or SAN, and it's a tightly coupled network of devices, which is more complex and expensive. It's used for large businesses, such as corporations, and it's high performance and mission critical. It operates on block level and is optimized for data intensive tasks, which it has high scalability to large office buildings, and it's a combination of servers among storage of high speed, and it requires administration by an IT staff, and it's very expensive, but it's very fast and is good for large areas with lots of devices because it covers a lot. So then there's subnetting, which is the kind of minor lesson. It's very small, so I'll just quickly go over it. Subnetting, it involves IPv4, and it's divided into 4 8-bit addresses. Then there's subnetting, which is like an advanced network and splitting it up. Taking an advanced network and splitting it up into smaller networks to make it easier to manage. So it frees up more public IPv4s, and it's 2 parts of an IP, the host and the network. So subnets define the number of bits. Subnets with a simplified definition use slash. Then there's IPs, which have 5 classes, but only 3 apply to subnets, class A, B, and C. So class A is 1 to 127, class B is 128 to 191.255, then class C is 192 to 223.255.255. So class A offers the most hotspots. Next is class B, then is class C. So that was the first lesson. I'm kind of like doing a 2-in-1 day because I've got I'm like 3 lessons ahead. So I'm gonna do this last one, which is vocab, and that is essentially we've got router, VLAN, DMZ, VM, NAT, switch, VPN, and NTP. It's not a lot though, don't worry. So the router, it's a device that connects 2 or more packet switches, and it manages traffic by sending data packets. It allows more than one device on a network. It passes data between LAN and WAN, or LAN and WAN, and it uses internal routing panel. I'm so tired, but I gotta get this done. Internal routing panel to route correct packets to devices, and it's a router versus a modem because they're not the same thing. A router forms networks and manages them, while a modem connects directly to the internet. So wireless routers uses Ethernet to connect to the modem, and then wired routers use Ethernet cables as well, but they connect to the device. Then there's core router, which operates at the core of a network or the internet directly. And there's edge router, which it works at the edge of the signal, which also extends the range of the signal. So then there's VLAN, which is virtual. It's like a virtual network that connects devices from different LANs. It's essentially a LAN network connection, but it's used to connect multiple LAN devices from different areas. Then there's DMZ, which is Demilitarized Zone, a perimeter network that protects and adds extra layer support. It allows organizations to connect to unsecured networks while keeping their LAN secure, and it provides buffer in between networks and it uses firewall to secure network. Then there's VMs, which is a virtual machine. Things like VirtualBox, VMware, XC, and Proxmox. It's essentially just a application on your computer or software that allows you to create another mini computer using parts of your computer inside of a software or an app. And so it allows you to load different types of operating systems. Like I've got one that's got Kali Linux. I've got another that's got Ubuntu. It's like a whole thing. Then there's NAT, or NAT, which modifies IP addresses when data is being transferred in packet headers. Then there's a switch, which a switch is a network device that operates on the data link layer. It uses MAC address to assign packets and essentially controls data transfer, both sending and receiving. Then there's VPN, which VPN is like NordVPN. Like everybody knows what that does. I'm not going to explain that. Then there's Network Time Protocol, or NTP, which basically just synchronizes clocks across all your devices. But that was the lesson for the day. 2-in-1 kind of package, because I'm so tired and I really don't want to do tomorrow's. Honestly, I might, but I'm really not feeling it right now. I'm so freaking tired. And technically, tomorrow's will be Monday, so you might have a little more leeway. It might be a longer video, I might make it a 20-minute video, 25-minute video, because I can get the weekend stuff on. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what I can do better. I know this video was kind of stupid because I have strictly nothing to do. I have no blogging to do, or nothing. I have no footage. I've been swamped with FFA and swamped with my college classes. So I'm literally gonna I'm gonna finish this recording, finish my editing, and then I'm closing my computer and knocking myself out. I'm so ridiculously tired, but I really appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you really enjoyed. Let me know what I can do different. I'm always willing to change. So, but, have a good night. All that jazz. Peace out.